Today, we're delving into a fascinating domain within artificial intelligence known as generative AI. We're going to be exploring what it is, how it works, and its potential to transform the way we interact with technology. Let's kick things off by answering an essential question. What exactly is AI? The term artificial intelligence, or AI as we commonly know it, signifies the capacity of machines to mimic cognitive functions associated with human minds. It's a broad domain of computer science dedicated to creating systems capable of performing tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These tasks are incredibly varied, ranging from learning, meaning the ability to acquire and apply knowledge, to reasoning, which is the capability to solve problems and make decisions. AI systems can also emulate human problem-solving skills, enabling them to approach challenges and generate solutions much like a human would. Moreover, AI holds the capability of perception, the ability to interpret the world around it. This is especially prominent in fields such as computer vision, where AI systems are trained to see and comprehend visual inputs. Additionally, these systems can understand and generate human language. So now, what exactly do we mean when we say generative AI? At its heart, generative AI is a form of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating something new. But it's not simply regurgitating or reshuffling existing information. Instead, it's about the creation of unique, novel outputs that are developed from learned patterns and structures. Let's imagine a machine that could compose a symphony. Not just any symphony, but an original piece of music that captures the intricate harmony and melody structures of classical compositions. Or picture an AI that could pen a narrative, a story with complex characters, engaging plot lines, and surprising twists, a story that reads as if it were written by a human author. Or envisage an AI that could design a piece of art, capturing the nuances of light and shadow, color and form, to create something visually stunning. These are all instances of what generative AI can potentially accomplish. The key here is learning. Generative AI is trained on large amounts of existing data, be it text, images, or music. Through this training, the AI learns to understand the essential components of the data. If it's text, the AI might learn grammar, style, and tone. If it's images, it might learn about shapes, colors, and patterns. And if it's music, it might understand rhythm, melody, and harmony. Then, once the generative AI has learned enough about the structure and pattern of the data, it can start creating. And here's the exciting part. The content it generates is completely new. The AI isn't just copying the data it was trained on. It's using its understanding of the data to generate unique content that still fits within the structures and patterns it has learned. In a nutshell, generative AI is a creative, innovative force in the field of artificial intelligence, opening up a myriad of possibilities that can redefine our concept of machine potential. Generative AI is set to cause significant ripples of innovation across a wide array of fields, thanks to its unparalleled ability to generate new and original content. The potential uses for this technology are as vast as they are intriguing. Content creation undoubtedly is one of the most prominent applications. Generative AI is increasingly used to create written content, from drafting informative articles and crafting imaginative narratives to even penning poetry. It can also be put to use in composing original pieces of music. OpenAI's GPT-4 model, for instance, is a prime example of text content generation, demonstrating remarkable capability. Additionally, the realm of graphic design and visual arts is another domain where generative AI is making its mark. Whether it's auto-generating designs based on specific guidelines or creating singular pieces of digital art, generative AI provides an innovative toolset for designers and artists. Take, for example, Midjourney, a text-to-image AI that enables users to produce images by simply typing a description. This tool has already been responsible for creating a myriad of impressive visuals. But the influence of generative AI extends beyond creative fields. It plays a pivotal role in data augmentation for machine learning. In circumstances where amassing enough real-world data is difficult or sensitive, consider healthcare or security, generative AI can generate synthetic data for training AI models. This not only expands the potential of machine learning applications, but also aids in preserving privacy and ensuring confidentiality. In the sphere of scientific research, the impact of generative AI is already becoming significant. Whether it's predicting molecular structures in chemistry, simulating climate change scenarios in environmental science, or generating potential solutions for intricate engineering problems, generative AI is capable of accelerating research, sparking new hypotheses, and unearthing lines of inquiry that were previously inaccessible. Generative AI is also used in gaming to create diverse and personalized realistic scenarios that enhance the immersive gaming experience. For example, it can be used to create realistic landscapes, characters, objects, and original storyline. It can also be used to generate personalized experiences for each player, such as by creating different levels or challenges based on the player's skill level or preferences. This can help to make gaming more engaging and enjoyable for everyone. Generative AI is still a relatively new technology, but it has the potential to revolutionize the gaming industry. As the technology continues to develop, it is likely that we will see even more innovative and immersive gaming experiences created with generative AI. Like any technology, generative AI has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it can automate and enhance creativity and open up new possibilities in a range of industries. For example, it can be used to create new forms of art, music, and literature. It can also be used to generate realistic images and videos, which can be used for training purposes or in entertainment. Additionally, generative AI can be used to automate tasks that are currently done by humans, such as writing news articles or creating marketing materials. This could lead to job displacement in some industries, but it could also create new jobs in the development and application of generative AI. However, generative AI also poses some challenges. One challenge is that it can be difficult to determine the authorship of content generated by generative AI. This could lead to legal disputes over intellectual property rights. Additionally, generative AI could be used to create fake news or propaganda, which could have a negative impact on society. Finally, there is the potential for generative AI to be misused for malicious purposes, such as creating deepfakes or generating harmful content. It is important to be aware of the potential risks of generative AI, but it is also important to recognize the potential benefits. With careful development and use, generative AI can be a powerful tool for good. As we gaze into the horizon and contemplate the future of generative AI, we find ourselves standing at the cusp of a world brimming with endless possibilities. The current advancements we see are only the tip of the iceberg. As the technology continues to mature and evolve, the scope of its applications will only grow, potentially transforming countless industries and reshaping our world in ways we have yet to fully grasp. Generative AI is set to become an increasingly powerful tool for creativity and innovation. Whether it's in the realm of arts, contributing to the evolution of music, literature, and visual arts, or in the field of product design, helping to create unique, personalized products tailored to individual tastes. Moreover, generative AI could revolutionize problem-solving, offering new ways to tackle complex issues, be it in scientific research, healthcare, urban planning, or climate change mitigation. By simulating different scenarios and outcomes, generative AI can help us explore solutions we might not otherwise have considered. But it's not just about what the technology can do. It's also about how it will affect us as a society. As we continue to integrate generative AI into our lives, we will need to navigate important discussions about ethics, privacy, and the nature of creativity itself. The future of generative AI is not only a technological journey, but a societal one as well. That brings us to the end of our journey through the fascinating landscape of generative AI. We've explored what it is, how it works, and the myriad of ways it could shape our future. But this field is continually evolving, and there is still so much more to discover and understand. So what do you think about the potential of generative AI? How do you see it shaping our future? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and let's continue to delve into the future of AI together.